ఇక శరీరం కాలిన వెంటనే ఐస్ క్యూబ్తో గాయాలపై రుద్దాలి. ఇలా చేయడం వల్ల గాయం త్వరగా మానుతుంది. ఐస్ క్యూబ్తో రుద్దడం వల్ల మంట కూడా తగ్గుతుంది. మరిన్ని విషయాలు తెలుసుకునే ముందు ఫ్యాషన్లోని నయా ట్రెండ్స్ ఏంటో ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం.
Hi everyone, this is Nisha Gupta and here to see my collection of Label en Vogue. Yes, the most in collection, the most trendy collection, and today I'm going to show you what are the in fabrics and some different styles and cuts that you might love. Okay, so what I have here is a nice little very pastel peach. As you see, it's not a bright peach, it's a very pastel, and the entire fabric is very pleated and ironed out. Okay, so it gives you that nice cut and feel. So this is going to give you that nice slim look, and if you see, we've got this lovely pretty delicate flowers. Okay, it's a very English, a very subtle English kind of a dress. We've given these pearls over the complete net. So if you see the net, we've given a small bustier top inside with a transparent net on top with lovely little pearls, self-colored pearls, and pretty little flowers stitched all over the top. So this is like a can be worn as a one piece, can be worn as a two piece, and I can assure you, you're going to look one pretty simple, slim, tall frame in this. Okay, so if you love something which is very delicate, which is not very loud, and which is not too bright, and you like it a little toned down, this is something that you can go for and have a lovely day on a bright sunny afternoon. Let's check something else which is just perfect for a night out or for a night party or for a night occasion, or something just wants to keep you very sexy for the night and looks really stylish. If you love saris and you don't know to drape one, well, you don't have to worry, because here what I have is a self-designed, self-stitched sari, so you don't have to worry about the pleats. And if you love black, yes, black is an all-time favorite. Okay, so this has got a ruffled look. Okay, so the entire sari is pleated with ruffles. It's stitched, so all you need to do is just wear it at the waist, okay, and put the hook on. This is the entire pallu will be completely ruffled. Okay, so it gives you it's not something which is going to be very heavy and broad over your shoulders, and I've given you this nice off shoulder sequenced top. Okay, so the blouse is going to be completely off shoulders. It's just going to come like from shoulder to shoulder, and it's not going to be on the top of your shoulders. It's just going to be around your shoulders, nicely fitted. Okay, so that you have that nice curve to your body, and it's going to keep your broad shoulders intact. So this ruffle is going to come over instead of the broad collar. This is going to come over the shoulder, and this entire sequence which is having this gold, it's a combination of gold and black, because it's evergreen. Black and gold or silver and gold is an evergreen combination for the night. So if you can see, it's in a very nice subtle falling chiffon fabric, so it's not heavy, it's not too loud, but at the same time the little gold in the top is going to give you that extra edge for any party or any night out or any cocktail or dining that you have to go to. Okay, so this is something another design which people who love to go out in the night or love to go for dinners with their family, I think this is something that you would love wearing. Yeah. Okay, let's look into the next collection, which is this lovely bright color. Okay, so if you see, this is outfit is made in three costumes. Okay, so we have this lovely shrug which can be worn, okay, over anything. You can wear it over your jeans, you can wear it over skirts, basically you can wear it over there. And we have this lovely, again, one side shouldered top. Okay, the other side of the shoulder, if you see, this is lovely a lovely pleated side of the shoulder. Okay, so it gives you that extra root. The entire blouse is of sequenced net. Okay, so you have this lovely gold sequence, and the reason we've not given one color from top to down is so that this blouse adds that extra style to your dress. Okay, the skirt, as you see, again is in different layers. We've given this lovely pleats over here to give at both the sides. So if you see on the left and the right side of the skirt has got this pleated look, okay, so it gives you that fall and those collards as you wear it, and the blouse is giving you that extra look, but the shrug is something that's going to add that glamour. So even if you're dancing away free at a party, you can just remove the shrug and just continue wearing your blouse with this. The very in thing, the very different and subtle difference is the pleated strap that we have given, because normally you see the straps are just simple, but the extra different look is it's an English pleated strap here, and it's very light and you can wear it over anything basically. It could be like a kurta, it could be a jeans. So basically it's what this outfit is, it's an ethnic fusion outfit, okay. It's like an Indo-Western trend that girls these days love to have in their wardrobe, and it's a must have to have a shrug of this kind, yeah. So just ensure that if you're a girl of this generation, you have a shrug of this kind in your wardrobe. As you see, this is not a party gown, this is not a one-piece anarkali, it's an ethnic, very trendy ethnic fusion, okay. It's got an asymmetrical cut which is in layered, okay. So if you see, the entire outfit is in layers, okay. So it's got layers and it's completely ironed out. We're using a lot of silk for the inside, because as you move around the silk, the pink from inside is also going to be seen, okay. So it's not something which is going to be hidden like this, okay. The layers in the outfit is going to be seen. So we have a very bright pink to complement the pink on the silk on top, okay. So right now we are using a lot of silk in this fabric. It's a falling silk, okay, which has got a lot of gold embossed work on it, and the pretty mauve is a very unusual color, okay. We've given a lot of small little buttoning look over here, which we also call as potli buttons. We've tapered it down towards the end of the sleeve with the same pink, so it complements the pink on the dress. Now what we're looking over here, the collar, it's not something which we have shown you in the past. It's not an off shoulder. We've shown you a one side shoulder, I've shown you a V-neck, but if you can see, it's a collared one. It's a very Chinese kind of a angrakha pattern, okay. It's got a collar, plus it's called an angrakha pattern because we have this V-neck going across to one side of the body, okay. So it looks really smart. When you look on top, it gives you that feel of a very stylish look, but at the same time it gives you that very ethnic Indian look of a cross pattern, which is angrakha. So it's cut at the mid waist, it gives you a slim look, and we've given it tapered sleeves with these pink buttoning below, okay. So yeah, here's something which is very stylish, which you can wear either in the daytime or in the evening, or anytime wherever you need to go. So it's not something you have to wait for an occasion. If you're even just going to shop for something, you can still wear this. If you want to find out more of cuts, colors and fabrics, and style more of yourself, please visit us at my store. The studio label en vogue is at Taj Heights. We're based at Sun City.
చూసారుగా ఫ్యాషన్లోని నయా ట్రెండ్స్. ఇక గొంతులో ఏదో ఇరుక్కున్నట్లు కిచ్కిచ్మంటూ ఇబ్బంది పెడుతుంటుంది. ఐస్ క్యూబ్ని తీసుకుని గొంతు పైభాగంలో మెల్లగా రుద్దితే విముక్తి లభిస్తుంది. ఇలా చేయడం వల్ల మంచి రిజల్ట్